Let's try to imagine Europe today if Russia had succeeded in occupying all of Ukraine in the first weeks of the war. It's clear today, Europe was defended by Ukrainians.
Putin is waging an ideological war. He wants to destabilize Ukraine, he wants to destabilize Europe, and he will not end this even after any ceasefire, even after a peace treaty.
Our outrage is not only about Putin, but also his admirers, sycophants and war profiteers inside the EU, such as Orban and Fico. Your disgraceful attitude will go down in European history books, labeling you as Quislings even without occupation.
Ukraina pašlaik ir vairogs, kas Eiropu un cilvēci sargā no Trešā pasaules kara. Eiropas pienākums un arī strateģiskās intereses ir stiprināt Ukrainas pašaizsardzību.
To the people of Ukraine, we have to say today and every day, thank you for fighting for freedom, for democracy, for your security, but also for our security.
Ukraina już zwyciężyła. Będzie wolna, będzie demokratyczna, będzie europejska. A Europa musi być silna. Zwyciężymy, zrobimy to.